Oh my God, hi everybody. We're here today to talk about our favorite subject and to talk about our upcoming workshop, Love and Romance through Astrology and Ayurveda. My name is Dr. Scott Keller, and we are here with resident love expert.
Anabella Cabello.
We want you to come join us at the Crystal Vision Center on 3160 Sterling Road in Hollywood, Thursday from 7:30 to 9, and we're going to talk all about our favorite subject, love and romance. Annabella, can you tell people what they can expect to take away from this workshop?
Absolutely. In this workshop, you're going to learn the tools to attract the perfect partner. If you're currently in a relationship, this workshop is also for you because we're going to teach you the tools of compatibility. We're going to look at your astrological birth chart and your partner's astrological birth charts, as well as your Ayurvedic profile, and see those areas where you're truly compatible.
You know, it's very important to remember that astrology and Ayurveda were two sciences and disciplines that were supposed to be used together. Can you tell the folks out there why it's so important that we look at our individual chart before examining the relationship that we're already in or bringing somebody new into our lives?
Absolutely. The first step is to know yourself better. We cannot bring anybody or what we consider the perfect partner into our lives if we don't even know who we are or what we want. In this workshop, you're going to discover what are your truly likes, dislikes, your imprints in your birth chart, and those tendencies, yes, that are expressed not only in your birth chart but also in your Ayurvedic profile.
We want to share with you guys our unique brand about how to attract the perfect person into your life using such things as your moon sign, your Jupiter and North Node, and things of that nature. So, tell everybody how they can come see us.
May 16th at 7:30 p.m. at Crystal Vision at 3160 Sterling Road in Hollywood.
Hope to see you there.
See you.